Hi guys, a very warm welcome. That's Mehak and here's Praveen. So today we're going to be doing an avocado almond toast.
Yep.
So all of you all must have heard, it sounds really fancy, but it is really interesting and really yummy and amazing as a snack option.
I think short in time also.
Yeah.
So it makes it very special. Let's go and have a look.
1 teaspoon butter, almond bread to it. Half an avocado. Gonna mash it really nice. 1 tablespoon lime juice. Pinch Himalayan salt. Paprika. Parsley.
And it's ready.
So that's our avocado and almond toast.
Yeah.
It looks nice, it's green, it's healthy. All of you all should please try this. So we have got videos for nutrition, workout and inflammation. Please log on to our channel, subscribe it, share it with your friends, let everybody know the information of being good and healthy.
Yeah, now make sure that you hit that bell button that you get the notification whenever we have a new video for you guys. So stay tuned and we'll see you in the next video.
See you soon.
Bye guys.